Day 3 of bus demolition. We're taking out the side panels and the roof. We've also decided we're going to be taking out the windows and resealing, but first let's see what's under the roof.
All in all, taking down the roof was pretty easy. It was all drilled in or nailed in, so we just ripped that all apart, took out all the insulation. We're really checking for mold because we had some major moisture issues, and we were also checking for leaks. All in all, not too bad. There are some areas we'll have to check up on, but pretty happy with it. We then went to our metal walls, and these we originally left in because we heard they provided structure to the walls, but after doing research, we found that they really don't, so we wanted to get all those out. We tried with the hammer and the pry bar, didn't work. Went to the air hammer, didn't work. Went back to the hammer, pry bar. Got the job done today. About 5.5, 6 hours to get it done. Feels good to have a base there that we can now insulate really well. Check for more leaks. And then we will be building this baby up here short enough once that subfloor is done.
One sec, I gotta go downstairs really quick. Oh, I'm back. Follow along for more.